I'll guide you on adding a glitch effect in CapCut on your phone step by step, as you can see here. In CapCut on your phone, as you can see here. First, add your video where the effect will be applied carefully. This cool effect, as seen. After that, you tap the Effect button in CapCut, then select Video Effects carefully. Select Video Effects and type Glitch in the search bar as you can see here. Type it carefully, ensuring accuracy, and then hit OK to proceed. Once you've typed it all in accurately, tap OK to search, and you'll see a wide variety of glitch effects appear. There are many glitch effects available, as you can clearly see here. Choose your preferred style. There's glitch flip, regular glitch, and more options here. There's a regular glitch, a unique glitch, and more. Choose what suits your taste best, as you can see here, and enjoy the effect. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Wishing you all good luck, and goodbye.